This video I'm showing you how you can limit who can reply to your tweets. So firstly what you need to do is you have to tap on open your Twitter app and then tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on this and then tap on the tweet button in the bottom right corner, and when you are here you can see the under the camera roll button you can see the everyone can reply. Tap on this, and from here if you choose the everyone, then anyone can reply to your tweets. It means that you haven't limit anyone to reply to your tweets. But if you choose the people you follow or only people you mention, then you can limit your tweets. So let's see, if you choose the people you follow, so the only people you follow can reply to your tweets, and if you choose the only people you mention, then only people you mention can reply to your tweets. So let's see, I choose the people you follow, and here you can type anything, and let's see, I tweet this and tweet in the top right corner, and from here you have to tap on the your profile icon in the top left corner and then tap on the profile, and here you can see your tweets. So here you can see you can reply to this conversation, and here it is saying that followers or mentioned can reply. So that's it, at how you can limit who can reply to your tweets. So that's it, at how you can. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.